Yes, sir.
Next chapter is app development. Okay, so I'll be asking few questions. You have to answer. Okay, so introduction part. Coming to the introduction part, app means what? What is the meaning of app? Yes. Application. Okay, app is the short form of application. Application means what? It is a software. Why we need application? We need application to gain some information or make our work done. Okay. For example, in mobile phones, you will be having so many applications, right? We call that applications only. But the software which it is using is different from the software which you are using in the computer. Okay. The software which you are using in iPhone is different from the software which you are using in Android phone. These all are what? Softwares. Depending upon the different operating systems, the engineers will decide, engineers will create new applications. Okay, getting in this way they have divided the applications into different categories. Simple, app is the short form of application. Application means a software in which we can design to do a specific work. Okay, it is designed to do a specific purpose. One purpose will be there, one work will be there. Suppose you want to play a game. Okay, similar applications will be there which will help you to play the games. Okay, some applications which will be there which will help you to make video calls. Okay, for example,
WhatsApp.
no, video calls. Specifically Skype is there, Messenger is there, WhatsApp video call is there, Instagram video call is there. Okay? Zoom is very popular. All these are applications which will help you to do video calls. Getting no? So these all are applications. These applications are divided into based on different devices. So we will see which are those devices. The first type will come in native apps. Understanding first type is what? Native app. Native app means by the name only you will come to know. Native means what? Generally the place where you live the most. That is native. Okay. So the most used, most popular devices are the software which they will use are Apple. Okay. Apple phone uses which software? iOS. Okay. And this one. Your mobile phone uses Android. And this one. The computer's most popular used software is Windows operating system. Windows operating system. Okay. So these operating systems work only in those particular devices. Okay, iPhone will not work in Android mobiles. Windows operating system will not work in Android mobiles. Android mobile will work only in Android only. Okay. So iOS. What is the full form of iOS? You know what is iPhone, right? I means what in that iPhone? Sir, I means what?
Internet operating system.
I only told that day. When Steve Jobs introduced this to the world, he named it with 5 words which will start from I. So next is, I told you native app. Native apps are the apps which are used to work only on particular platform or particular device. For example, only in mobile phones those apps will work. Those apps will not work in computers. Okay. For example, not Windows. The application which is present in Windows, for example, my computer, this PC icon, that is not present in mobile phones. Okay. Similarly, in iPhone also it is present, but it has a different name. Okay. It has the name from by file manager, like that. Okay. So the main thing to be noted here is advantages and disadvantages. The first one is advantages of native apps is they are very high in speed, very fast. Okay. And disadvantages, developers need to have good knowledge of platform and languages. Languages means not the languages which we use to communicate. The languages which computers will understand. For example, binary, Python language, C programming, HTML, okay, Java, all these languages are understood by computer. Okay, so to do the coding, you need to have lot of knowledge, technical knowledge. So that is one drawback. Okay, everyone cannot be expert in it. You have to practice more and more. That's why software engineers in the company they take 1 lakh, 2 lakh per month salary, because they have to write very long lengthy codes to create one application. Okay. So next advantage is high reliability. Reliability means what? Yes, their performance is, durability is more, and you can do lot of work in less amount of time. Okay, they are reliable. Next, platform dependent. This is disadvantage. Platform dependent means what? Android applications will not work in iPhone application. Okay, iPhone and Android applications will not work in computer applications. So that is platform dependent. Okay. Next, advantages runs on operating system for which it is developed. Means it will work in Android system very easily and flexibly without any problem. Okay, that is advantage. Disadvantage of this native app is app development cost is very high. Okay, so the development cost is very high. Okay, it requires a lot of knowledge, and after you create the app you need to register it in Google Play Store. Okay, once the app is registered in Google Play Store, you will start earning money the more the people download it. Okay, so that you have to create the app first. Okay, after creating the app you have to apply for registration. You have to write a mail to Google company. Okay, if they agree, they will do the test, they will verify. If they think that is suitable to be published in the Google Play Store, if it is genuine, it is not fraud, if it is not weak in the sense of hackers should not take the information from your application. It should not be that much weak. It should be very much, security should be more stronger in that application. Such kinds of apps, they will publish it in Google Play Store. Okay, once it is published in Google Play Store, the more number of people download it, that much earnings you will gain, and that much popular also you will become. Okay, so next is web apps. Native apps you know now, okay, which are platform dependent. Next is web apps. Web apps are not platform dependent. They are used using internet. Okay, so the main thing is we can run it in the CPU itself. No need to download. Just by visiting the website, you can use it. Clear? Any doubts in this part? No? Yes. So in that, advantages in platform independent. Okay, advantages platform independent, as I told you. Next, advantage is developed in less time. No need to create the application only and register in Google Play Store. Directly by typing the website, you can use it. Okay, so what? Developed in less time. Next advantage is app development cost is low. As we are not registering in Google Play Store, the registration cost is reduced. So cost is low. App development cost is low for web development. Okay. So next is hybrid apps. Hybrid apps is the combination of web app and native app. Understood? After this session, after this this lesson is completed, I will be calling any one of you and you have to explain this. Okay. So better be careful. Okay, what I am explaining. So hybrid apps is the combination of native app and web apps. Means it can be used in internet also and without internet also. The best example is Candy Crush game. Okay, and many such applications are there. And YouTube is the application which can be used in all the platforms. Okay, you name the device, in that device you will be available.
And Google also.
Yes, Google also. Google Chrome. It can be available in Android also, iPhone also, and Windows operating system also. Computer means which operating system it is used. Google only. Google Chrome is Google only. Google will not work without internet. I am telling that application runs on all the platforms. I am not telling it is hybrid. Okay. Hybrid means what? It should run without internet also and with internet also. That is YouTube. Okay. And Candy Crush game. Next is desktop apps. Some applications are there which are not come under native category also, web category also, hybrid category also. They are designed to work only in desktop. Desktop of what? Computers. For example, C drive, E drive will be there in the computer. You have observed the hard disk will be divided into different drives. C drive, D drive, E drive. So those kinds of drives application is available only in computers. You cannot find the drives in mobile phones. Okay. So next example is mobile apps. Like desktop apps are there, similarly mobile apps are there, which will not work in computer. For example, very famous this one, editing app. Yeah, even Play Store will not work properly. Then Kind Master app will not work easily. Kind Master, a video editing app. Okay, and this one. Many such applications are there which will not work properly in computers, but they will work very much efficiently in mobile phones. But some applications are there which will work in computers also and mobile phones also. That is MS Word, Microsoft Word, okay, typing software. Do you have any doubts in this? No. So next is how to download an application from the Google Play Store. Even kids, you have to tap the Play Store icon, okay, which will be available only in which platform? Mobile platform. In iPhone, which apps are available. Okay. Similarly, in Windows operating system, which application will be there? Windows operating system, which store will be there?
Google Play.
Windows Store. Okay. Windows Microsoft Store. Okay. The name only the continues the word. So next, here they have told us how to download from Play Store. Same applies with all the other platforms. Okay, search the name of the application which you want. The result will be shown. Choose which application you want. Click on it and install it. Okay. And next is uses of commonly known applications. Okay. Means what? Commonly known apps means what?
Which apps are used?
Yes, apps which are used by everyone. Almost everyone, common, most popular apps. Okay, in that first one is educational app. Okay, educational apps nowadays are used by many students and many teachers and professors use educational apps to increase their knowledge. Okay, one such example is, okay, many are there. Byju's is there. Whichever your favorite one is there, you can think about it. Okay, Byju's is there, Vedanta is there. Many are there. Unacademy is there. Many are there. Okay, even other than that, these all are paid. Free versions are available in YouTube. You can watch, you can gain educational content from YouTube also. Okay. Next is social networking. Social means what? Means related to people, community, society. Okay. Networking means how we involve ourselves with the society, how we involve ourselves with the community. Okay. We need some applications to involve ourselves with the society outside. Such kind of applications are social networking websites. Example is Facebook is the most ranked number one in using social networking site. Facebook. First is Facebook, then YouTube, then Instagram, then Twitter. Then afterwards, remaining all this will come. LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Reddit. All these are what they will give you information. And Facebook is also what this. Which kind of app?
Social networking.
Social networking only. Which type I am asking? See here you are getting confused. In exam also you got confused. Many of them not hybrid. I asked the example. In hybrid only which app you have to tell that. So next is entertainment. Entertainment means what? Entertainment means what? Suppose you are feeling tired and you want to relax. Okay. In that situations, the people will opt for some different kind of content which will help them to reduce their stress and feel them refreshed. Okay. Such kinds of apps are entertainment apps. For example, to watch the movies, we use YouTube. Netflix is the most nowadays most popularly used. Okay, Netflix. Next,
Hotstar.
SoundCloud. This is also entertainment app. YouTube is also used for entertainment purpose. Spotify to listen to the music. Disney Hotstar, Sony Live app, Amazon
Jio Cinema.
Prime videos. All these are what? Whichever applications you are seeing in the smart television and mobile phones, all those are entertainment apps. Okay. Next is banking and finance. Banking and finance are also one kind of applications which will help you to do all the work which you will do in the bank digitally. Yes. PhonePe is there, which will come under finance and banking. For example, SBI Mobile Bank, iMobile, and HDFC Mobile Bank are two examples. Okay. It will help you to do the transaction of money, paying the bills, transferring the money from one bank account to another bank account. Okay, like how you used to do earlier by visiting the bank. Same thing you can do it inside the application. Okay. So next is e-commerce. Commerce means I have told you in the previous session only. It involves how many steps? 3 steps. Producers, sellers, and buyers. All this come under commerce. If you do the same thing online, digitally, it is called as e-commerce. E stands for electronic. Understanding? So doing selling, producing, and buying, purchasing online, digitally is called as e-commerce. For that we are having very common websites, applications. Flipkart is there, Amazon is there. Okay, many are there. Okay, and who is the owner of a Flipkart company? Who is the CEO of Flipkart? Yes, okay, and one more, his brother is also there. So next is building an app.